Hi guys, welcome to this video. So in this video we are going to create an hand wash bottle using Creo parametric. Okay, so let's get started. I just previously created this part, so let me show you and let me explain you how I created that. Okay, so this is the part you can see here. Okay, so this is the shading with normal shadings. Now we can see that, right? So this is the part that I have created. So there is no assemblies here, there is like only part modeling, some extrude sketch and shell features. Okay, so I'll show you how I did this. So first of all, so this is the dimension here. You can note down it, or else if you want this 2D drawing, I can share that. I will convert this 3D model into 2D drawing, and I will share you that. Okay, so here you can see like this is 2.97, and you can see the height, and you can see the radius here, angle here, and everything here. So this is just a spline. Okay, so if you guys need to know how I did this spline, let me explain you. So this is the profile, right? Okay, so here we have a center line, right, like this, and this arc. Okay, so just for our reference. Okay, so this is the profile, right? Let me imagine like that. So how I created this spline feature is without, like, you don't want to plot a point by noting like all these dimensions. Okay, so directly just draw a straight line joining these 2 points. Then follow my steps. Okay, so first of all, offset single. Okay, and the upside direction at a value of 3. Okay, delete this single line. Okay, offset, select the same line and -3 opposite direction. Okay, then delete this line. Okay, so after deleting that, plot a point at the center of this line. Okay, you got that? Then directly go for the spline from this point to this point to this point to this point and this point. That's all. Okay, it's easy, right? So delete the unwanted segments here. So make sure that you are deleting all the lines here. Okay, so you can click here like this, and you can see this is spline, right? Okay, so this one, and this one. Okay, it's right. So this is how I have created this feature. Okay, so follow the same steps here. Okay, so this is the first sketch here, and I just have extruded that as a symmetric extrude with a distance of 70. Okay, and the next sketch is on the top. Use the same front plane. Okay, so then draw a line. Let me show you the angle. Okay, so this is the angle, right? So okay, let me show you from here to the midline, or else it is easy to have a reference on the previous part. Okay, so dimension from here till here. So this is the angle, and for this line, this is angle. Okay, so like by using this you can draw the line, right? But where you guys have to place the point. So let me show you that also. So place a point on the curve and adjust the dimension. Okay, so you can exactly place a point with this dimension. Okay, and for this to 25.32, and then the highest quote, or else like you can directly wait. Let me show the length of the line. Okay, this one 69.78, and this one up to the center point. Okay, and directly draw a slanted line, and this is project. Okay, so after completing the sketch, you have to extrude this. Okay, so this will be 60 on the both sides. Okay, so then the next sketch is this. So this is from the top plane. Like, let me show you which is that. Okay, let's go for the plane view. Yeah, this is the plane. Start sketching on the plane, or else like if you don't have a plane, because once you started sketching on the front, like on the center, you have to create a new plane. Okay, so from here you can take your own reference value. Okay, so there is no exact value for this. You can just select your own reference value. Okay, So for that, this is the sketch. Okay, 50, and extrude up to the next selected surface. Let me show you that also. This up to the surface, and the next thing is fully rounds. The first one is this round. This will be 20, and the next round is on the top. It will be 4.35, and the next round is on the bottom. You can see here 20, and this one is 20, same. Okay, so the next round here it will be 3, and on the other side it will be 1 or 2, sorry, 8. Yeah, it's bigger. Okay, so the next round, okay, it's fully side rounds, so the same value of 8 for all the sides. Okay, once you click the surface, it will be selected on this all the sides. Okay, all the edges. And then the next extrude is from this face, from the top face. Okay, so the circle diameter is 25, right? And extrude that to a length of 2, so single extrude. And then from that extruded surface, go for the sketch one more time here. Let me show you. You can see here, like from that previous extruded top surface, sketch diameter of 35. Okay, extrude that to a length of 10. So after that, a couple of rounds. So on the new surface top edge, we are going to round that to a value of 5. So the next one is one more extrude. So from the top extrude, I'm going to draw a circle with the diameter of 10. Okay, so extrude that to a length of 10. Let me close that. So yeah, the next extrude. So from the top surface, one more circle. I think that will be 13. Yeah, 13. So extrude that to a length of 10. Okay, so after that, round features for this face. So this will be 10. Okay. Okay, so the next one is shell. After creating up to this top face, like we can create a shell. Okay, so after creating one more surface, we can't able to create the shell, right? So shell, it will be 2 thickness. Okay, so if you guys have not sure about that, let me show you by this sectional view. Okay, so you can see here, right? It looks really good on the sectional view. Like this will be sectioned from here. So that's the reason that we are going to shell on the last step on this top face. Okay, so after creating this cap, you can create a shell on this part, but this entire thing will become shell, right? So that's the reason I just have created shell here. Okay, so make this disactive. So after this shell, one more sketch here. So this is for the top cap feature. Okay, so this is 1.31. So this is like a kind of easy. Okay, so I just have used the image reference for this, for creating this cap, because I don't have an exact dimension for these. So I just have used the image reference. So if you want to create like this as the same, so I'll show you some more dimensions here. Okay, okay, okay. So place a point here. Okay, so this will be height of 17.2, and with the distance from the midplane it will be 39.53, and one more point that will have an height of 19.85, or the distance of 40.43. Okay, so like a slanted line like this, and one more slanted line like this, and anyway, like this line will be tangent to the line that we are going to draw, right? So we don't want to add an angle for this. Anyway, this is 90 degree. So this line length is 111.31, and from here this angle is 137.55 with a height of 58.40, and one more line from here till here, I think Okay, let me show this angle is 228.18. Okay, so this distance is 6.12, and anyway, like this is parallel, I think so. Okay, yeah, parallel to this line. Use the same reference with a total height of 71.57. So after that, so yeah, one more line here, right? So plot a point here, the height of 32.59 and at the distance of 28.77. So draw a line, and from here till here draw an arc with a radius of 391.95. So don't take these 0.95 values, just round up like 392 or 391. Okay, so this is not the exact dimension of like hand wash container. Okay, so this is just my own reference dimension. I just have used image reference for creating this. Okay, so after creating this, just extrude that. Okay, at a distance of 35 as a symmetric extrude, and then some couple of rounds here. So this will be 3 and this will be 3, but this will be 20. Okay, not that. And the next round is on the bottom, it will be 10. Okay, and the next round is 1. Okay, so why I just have used some different round, like you can see round 1, round 2, round 3, round 4, like that means I have to show you separate round features, right? So I can do all these rounds on a single round feature, but it will be hard for me to show like this is radius 1, this is radius 10, like single times. Okay, so this is good and compared to that. Okay, so the next round is the side surface, that will be 6 on both sides. Okay, so the next extrude is on the cap. Directly select this surface. Anyway, this is a flat surface. Select the surface, go for the extrude and go for the sketch. And sketch view, here you will have the diameter of 13 and 16. Okay, at the distance of 63, or you can take a value of 62.55. Okay, and extrude that at the distance of 2. So what else here? I think other than this, everything is apart. Like wait, let me show you. I think it's text. Okay, so for creating this shell feature, you can see here for this shell. Okay, I done a thing here. Yeah, select the same surface, and for the placement for the shell feature, I just have done this. Okay, so yeah, project all these, like draw a rectangle just for our own dimension, and like draw one more, like 2 circles outer than this reference circle. Okay, so I'm not sure about the diameter, and I'm not sure about this, guys. Okay, so this is I just did myself. Okay, so I don't have any reference dimension for this. Directly create a surface and remove material for 4. Okay, so you will have a view on this and then create a round feature. So that, like for that look, I just have created this. You can see once created this round feature, you can see this looks really good, right? So that's the thing. So after this round, yeah, it's all about the text. So first of all, ellipse, you can see the angles. Yeah, 10 degree, 150. Okay, so distance of 135 from the midplane. Okay, so extrude that, and the next is about all these things are just my own reference. Okay, our channel name and this small logo. Extrude all these things to 0.01. We can't able to extrude that. Minimum value is 0.2, right? Let me see. 0.01. Yeah, 0.02 is the minimum value. So extrude that up to 0.02, but don't extrude all these extrude on the same size. Okay, if you extrude all these things on a 0.02, 0.02, once you click on this surface, all the surface will be selected, so you can't able to add some separate appearances for the surfaces. Okay, so use some 0.021, 0.022, like that. Okay, so that will not have a big impact on your part. Okay, so the next extrude is the text, right, as I said. Okay, so the next extrude is this one, extrude, and this text, and all these things are text. Okay, so this text, this one, and this one. Okay, so this is how I did this, guys. Okay, I hope you guys have like come to know something about that. I'm so sorry, guys, because I don't have some exact time for measuring all these dimensions once again and recording it for one more time. Okay, so the reason why I can't able to put this as a full length video, because I'm just doing like 1 hour or half an hour per day. Okay, so I'll do 10 minutes of this designing. Okay, so then I just switch off my laptop and I need to take care on other works, and then I come back again, and then another 10 more minutes. So I can't able to record that, and even though if I recorded that, I need to spend more time on editing. And even though if I have edited, like you guys are saying, like I just have left some more parts at the mid or at the end. So I just decided, like, anyway, you guys need to know like three things, right? So first of all, how I did this part. The second one is about this dimension, and the third one is about like what are all the steps that I have implemented in this part, right? So whether I have used extrude, like whether what are the steps that I have followed here, right? So I think this video helps you a lot, right? So other than this, the appearances is simple, guys, like white and red. Okay, so normal white and normal red here. So that's all, guys. So let's have a view on the shading with reflections here. Yeah, so that's all, guys. So thank you for watching, and if you want more videos related mechanical engineering or any other content, you can comment below, so that I will upload more and more videos based on that. Okay, so yeah, guys, like we are over I just have uploaded more than 300 videos. Okay, so now I am out of content, so you guys have to provide some content for me. Okay, so I'm just looking forward for contents like these things, but these things are look like similar, like extrude, sketch round, shell, like the same tools, right? So on the last video that I have done like a slider mechanism. Okay, so if you guys want some separate tutorial video for the mechanisms or something else, you guys have to comment. Okay, so thank you, guys. Hope you see in the next video. Until then, bye.